the importance of mobile phones in our life. I think it's a combination of a technology. Uh, in old time, we had a telephone, we had a radio, TV. When the mobile came, it replaced the computer, it replaced radio, it replaced calculator, it replaced camera, screen, uh, laptops, everything. I think it's in today it's a weapon or it's a strength. It can be your friend or it can be your enemy. If it is in my hand, it is your friend. When my phone gone to other hand, and it's for enemy for me. I think many of benefits we have for phone. We The first phone invented by the Martel Cooper, Motorola engineer. He is the inventor of first smartphone. I think a smartphone. Why we need smartphone? We need smartphone. Why? Because if we lost, We can navigate ourselves. If we are accident suddenly and in the emergency, we can also contact our hospital or the our parents or the elder parents. I think it's a good for us, everyone, but there is a lot of misuse of smartphone. If The most worst thing is that we can also talk thousand of kilometers from our relationship or the brother sister. But the worst thing is that two friends sitting together, but both are they are not even talking each other. They are looking her phone and just scrolling. It's I think it's damaging our relationships, family. It is the one of the reason we are going too far our family. Children are not interesting in you. They just want a phone. uh, uh, in old time the people needs only three three things: bread, clothes, and home. The fourth thing we have added is the smartphone. If we have not smartphone, I think our life is empty. We cannot spend our time. It's a if we have smartphone, we can make new friends, we can chat someone, but be careful. It's a screenshot time. If you are cheating someone, if you are saying against the other one, I think someone can screenshot your chats and boom, your relationship, your brotherhood, your friendship, you can be lost. I think it is the one of the reason the divorce divorce, I think. And uh, So I think we can use it. It is in our hand. How can we use how, but the way we want to use the phones. I think uh, it can be your account empty. The lot of cyber fraud active now. If you see in your phone the unknown video call or audio call coming in your phone, then don't receive them. It can be a cyber fraud. As you receive the call, your data all gone. Your personal photos, your data, your contact number, everything has gone. I think, and we never click a link. If we seen a link on our phone, I think we never click on the phone. It's uh, this is not just the about the data, just not the money. It's I think it can be you can be a bankrupt. I think everything has been stolen, everything. So keep your phone secure. Do not share with them anyone. I think have a unique password. Never use a face ID. I think uh, many of time you are sleeping or when you got accident, they use your face or finger. I think you are, then they can also access your phones. I think the phone is not just a phone, it's just a privacy. Please secure and thank you.
बेटा और